Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel where I share my love for wall clock through my video. Whether you are a beginner or an expert, I hope you will find something here and inspires you. A clock wall can be a great way to add both function and style to a living room. Here are a few ideas for creating a wall clock. Use a large statement clock as a focal point. Choose a large clock with a unique design or vintage style to make a statement on your wall. This can be centerpiece of your clock wall. I hope like my ideas. Please share my ideas with your friend and family friends. Mix and match different size and style of clock. Create a gallery wall by mixing different style of clocks such as vintage, different, modern and antique. Group them in an interesting way, play with the size and shapes. Incorporable other wall decor. Use a clock wall as an opportunity to incorporate other wall decors such as artwork, mirror, and photograph. This will create a cohesive and interesting display. Please subscribe my channel. Use clock wall as a theme. Choose a theme and stick to it, such as a nautical theme or an industrial theme. This will create a scene of cohesive and unique look. Use different clock types, mix different types of clocks such as wall clock, table clock, grandfather clock, and cuckoo clock to give a different look and feel to wall. I hope like my ideas. Please watch my video till the end and press the bell icon for the latest update. Use a clock as part of wall art. You can use a wall clock as part of wall art with different design and shapes to create a unique and interesting wall art. Use a clock with different functions. You can use a clock that come with additional function such as thermometer, hygrometer, barometer, and even with music or alarm. Remember, the key is to choose a clock that complement the overall style and aesthetic of the room and to think about how it will fit into the overall design. Create a theme, choose a theme and stick to it, such as a nautical theme or an industrial theme. This will create a scene of cohesive and unique look. Use a large statement clock as a focal point. I hope like my ideas. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.